Hello. Come on. Let's have arm wrestling. Mila, say hello to everybody. Hello. High five. Up. Hello again. High five. Up. Wow. Mila, look what I have for you today. Wow. It's frozen eggs. Elsa, Anna, then Olaf. Yeah, all that chocolate is gonna go into that little cave. Come on. Put them all together on the plate. Yeah. Hey, look. Frozen eggs. And let's take this. Okay. Mila, we have, how many eggs we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 eggs. And now, let's open. We have a separate plate. Let's put it here. And this is going to be for our chocolate. Okay, let's open the first one. Ta-ta-ta-ta-ta! Okay. Let's open the first egg. Something is inside. Now we have, what do we have here? What do we have here? It's a little ring. Wow. Put it on your finger. Okay, first one is a little ring with Elsa. Or who is on the picture? It's Elsa. And this one. Oh, nice. Okay, so next one is next one. What do we have inside here? It's a little forest elf. Wow, this little guy, look. Okay, so one is here. Now, next egg. Okay, let's remove all this tin foil from the eggs, and our next egg number 3. What will we have in egg number 3? It's wow, it's a snowman. His name is Marshmallow, I think, if I'm not mistaken. Wow, this big guy. Here is a napkin for you. Wow, Mila, the chocolate is so good, so awesome. We have 3 already. We opened 3 eggs. Now, egg number 4, Mila. Something small. Something really small. Chocolate. We will have a lot of chocolate tonight. And it's, look, Elsa figure. Elsa. Wow. So many figures. What do we have here, Mila? What do we have? It's I think it's Elsa again. I don't know. It happens. We never know because it's a surprise. It's a surprise, Mila. So we have one ring, one elf, then snow monster. Here, have a little of chocolate here. And egg number 5. Egg number 5. It's again Elsa. Well, you never know what you find. No, here is. So I guessed and it came true. My guess came. What do we have here? What do we? Wow, 2. I think I don't know what we will have here. We'll see. Boys and girls, we'll see it in a minute. In a second, I would say. So Mila, what do you think is inside here? What do you think is inside here? I don't know. Wow, it's another elf. Little guy. We have 2 of them. La 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 la. Now, okay. This is the egg with Anna. So, what we will have here? Okay.
Девочка. Вот где.
No.
Девочка.
It's another elf. This little guy. Wow, he's everywhere. Well, we had a lot of them in the cartoon, so they look the same. Maybe it's another one. Another one of many. Oh, here is something different. I can feel it. Something new. Something that we never.
Девочка.
That we didn't get. Something new. I can feel it. I can feel it. Okay, Mila. What do we have here? What do we have here? Oh, it's another ring. Mila, look. Mila. Oh, another one. Come on. You will. Here, let's put the one. Oh, yeah. Show it like this. Like this. Wow. Like this. Like this. Oh, yeah. Okay, next one. Okay, let's pray that we have something new here. And it's another elf. Okay. Another guy. So, this is egg number 10. Egg number 10. Wow, this is new. That we didn't have. It's Elsa.
Papa, listen.
Elsa. Little Elsa. So many little guys. We have
Yeah.
look how many we have. 5.
Mama, chica.
And
Mama.
Elsa, Anna. Okay, so what do we have here? What do we have here? Oh, it's another ring. Mila, you will have many rings. Wow! And another one. Mila, look. Come on, come on, come on, come on. I have another one for you. Here. Look. Oh yeah. Look, show it to everybody. Show it. Look. Wow, wow. Wow. And our last egg. I hope we get something new, something that we didn't find before.
Это тортик.
And it's
Пач.
wow, it's Olaf, little guy. Thank you, Olaf. You are our last surprise. So we have Olaf here. So I will show you here. You will see. I hope you can see it. It's very small. You can see all the toys that you can find here. And it's so small, yeah, Mila. So, if you can see,
Мамочка, мамочка, мамочка.
here you can, if you can see all the toys that you can find in this series. It's Elsa, Olaf, Anna, then the snow monster, then again Anna in a different dress, and the deer. His name was, I don't remember his name. What it was his name? So all the different. Yeah, and the chocolate. Wow, so many. Let's put them together. In one, Olaf. And Olaf. This is Olaf, Elsa, Anna, Elsa. Then the elf, snow monster. Mila, do you want some water? Come on. Yeah, chocolate makes you thirsty. Nice. Okay, again, Olaf, Elsa, Anna, Elsa. This is Anna. This is Elsa, sorry. Elsa. Then we have two Annas. Again, let me see. We have these little guys. Elf 1, Elf 2, Elf 3, and Olaf here. And another. Wow, so many. And finally, this is the. I like this one. Look at him. So he's so brutal.
Папа. Не надо.
So, Mila, high five. Yeah, we did it. And Mila, look, Wow, like this. Show it to everybody. So many rings. 4 rings. Mila got 4 rings. And so many little toys. They are all. We will play with them tonight. Mila, let's say bye-bye to everybody. Bye-bye. We'll see you again soon.